Are you ready to elevate your gadget game? In this video, we unveil the 7 crazy cool Amazon gadgets you need in 2024. From innovative tech to quirky designs, these gadgets are cool, functional, and affordable. Join us as we explore must-have items that can enhance your daily life, whether at home, in the office, or on the go. Discover unique tools that will impress your friends and make your life easier. What to expect? A detailed look at each gadget, pros and cons of each item, where to buy them on Amazon, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for fun new gadgets to try. This video is tailored for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting gadget reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Telesin Degree Magnetic Neck Mount. Telesin Degree has been engaged in developing peripheral accessories for pictures and videos. The self-developed product line has covered more than 300 products, including peripheral accessories for action cameras, life vlogs, short videos, and live broadcasting. Our brand mission is to serve every video and picture maker, helping them to share more emotion. Telesin Degree debuts a magnetic neck mount for smartphones, not only making it skin-friendly, strong, and stable, but also offering an immersive first point-of-view experience. The Telesin Degree POV Mount series features a triple-layer structure with a stainless steel gooseneck inside, encased in solid aluminum for support, and a skin-friendly silicone exterior. This design ensures no deformation, cracking, or breaking. The mount offers multi-angle adjustment, allowing users to switch between portrait and landscape shooting modes, as well as satisfying landscape, portrait, overhead, and low-angle shots. Number 2. Chef and Tabletop S'mores Maker. Scores of s'mores could be yours with our S'mores Roaster. This fun-for-the-family tool brings your favorite thing about camping right to your home. No more hassling with damp wood, just the perfect snack at your fingertips. Chef and tools and gadgets are designed to be powerful in their simplicity, so that you can delight in simple food prep tasks as much as in the moments spent around the table. Less time prepping, more time enjoying. We create products that make experimentation in the kitchen approachable and fun for the chef in all of us. We aim to inspire creativity and shareable experiences in the kitchen. Our tools are approachable so that everyone can experience a healthy-ish lifestyle through intentional at-home food prep. The chef's design team focuses on solving problems in the kitchen with innovative, clever solutions. The result is high-quality, well-designed products that promote and encourage cooking and eating with family and friends at home. We want food prep to be less tedious and more enjoyable for you so that time in your kitchen can be a delicious experience to share. With playful prep and clever cooking, let's make healthy meals and happy kitchens. Number 3. Vaydeer Mouse Mover. Ultra silent with ISO certified. Here comes the 2024 upgraded version. With a hardcore ultra-silent motor inside, the Vaydeer Mouse Jiggler only makes a soft sound lower than 45 dB while working, way more quiet than any other competitors on the market. And it passed the ISO/E 27001 2013 security certification. Safe and trustworthy. Great Christmas gift for colleagues. 100% undetectable at depth, no need to plug into a computer laptop. With a 5V/2 a power adapter and a cable. You can power the mouse jiggler either by an external power adapter or by the USB port of your computer. Both won't be detected by the IT department at all. No need for software installation. Simulates physical mouse movement, not detectable by hardware scans and company. Ideal gift for your colleagues. With an on/off switch, you don't need to waste time plugging and unplugging over and over again. Just a single press, the mouse jiggler will be turned on or off. Please make sure the sensor area of your mouse is cast on. Number 4. GearLight Camping Lantern. Super bright and powered by cob LED, the sunlit battery-operated lamp is the next best thing to actual daylight. The Elena lantern offers 360 degrees of light to effortlessly illuminate any outdoor space. Super bright, powered by LED, the sunlit battery-operated lamp is the next best thing to actual daylight. The Elena lantern offers 360 degrees of light to effortlessly illuminate any outdoor space. Easy to use, each battery-operated lantern comes with a foldable hook and strong magnetic base, so you can create overhead or stationary lighting in a tent, garage, back of a truck, and other places. Value: every sunlit, battery-powered lantern pack has everything you need to be prepared for the unexpected. It includes camping lanterns, AA batteries for hours of use, and a user manual. Versatile, measuring 5 multiplied by 3 x 3.375 inches. This medium-sized camp lantern can also be used as an emergency light during a power outage or hurricane, and as an everyday lantern around the home. Number 5. Uruq Hydroponics Growing System. Uruq Indoor Herb Garden has a high-efficiency 24-watt LED grow light. It's simulated sunlight that promotes photosynthesis for plants, resulting in rapid, natural growth and more abundant harvest, 5 times faster than in soil. Automatic time: 14 to 16 hours on and 10-8 hours off, simulating the rise and fall of the sun, eliminating the need to tend to plants daily. Patent: ultra-quiet recirculation system. Herb garden kit indoors with a quiet automatic water pump less than 20 decibels. The pump increases oxygen to better root growth, automatically coming on every 30 minutes. A viewing window offers the ability to monitor both water levels with a blue water shortage indicator and root growth, and keep tabs on maintenance. The water tank holds a max of up to 5L of water. Adjustable optimal height or angle when growing. According to the growth of plants, max up to 21 height by adjustable grow light on the top. The lamp board can be turned up 180 degrees. The more light area can be illuminated to the edge of the plants, allowing plants at different growth stages to thrive. And the removable light pole makes cleaning easier. A hydroponic garden is a perfect solution for having that year-round deliciousness at hand. Number 6. Koios Air Purifier. One of the standout features of this air purifier is its H13 True HEPA filter, which effectively captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. This includes common allergens like dust, pollen, pet dander, and even fine smoke particles, providing relief to those with allergies and respiratory sensitivities. The Koios Air Purifier is designed to be portable and can be powered through a USB cable, making it convenient to use in various settings. You can plug it into your laptop, power bank, or car charger, ensuring continuous air purification wherever you go. Number 7. Ohlpro Charging Station Box. This multi-car retractable car charger supports fast charging, which can realize fast charging for 3 different smartphones at the same time, safe and stable. iPhone USB, 5V/1. 6A, Type-C, 9V/1. 6A micro USB, 5V/1A. iPhone support 8 watts, iPad support 10 watts. Fast charging, unique design, fashion can win more compliments for you. Multi-car retractable. The headrest car charger is compatible with all mobile phones with micro USB, USB-C, and USB-I interfaces, suitable for Apple, Android, and Samsung. Share ride customer / supporting 3 mobile phones charge at the same.